Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome to Health Abshar. Today we will talk about some amazing herbs. Watch carefully, learn, and use them according to your needs.
Licorice, Hub-ul-As, wild pistachio, Hubble-Bottom, Pistachia atlantica, Hibbatul Hazra, garden cress, Hub-al-Rashad, tiger's nut, Hub-az-Zalam, quince, Hub-az-Safarjal, green cardamom, Hub-az-Salatin, ghee seeds, Hub-az-Samna, lingonberry, Hub-al-Garab, chase tree, Hub-al-Fakat, elephant creeper, Hub-al-Fail, cotton seeds, Hub-al-Katan, quince seeds, Hub-al-Kalat.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and herbal knowledge. Stay healthy and take care.